several waterfalls in Chota Nagpur, several waterfalls, at least 20 waterfalls तो है ही वहां पर अच्छे खासे. लोग केवल सुनते हैं हुंडरू, हिरनी, हाँ, लेकिन several waterfalls are there. And similarly, if you see that it is in a Buddha Balanga, there is in a Joranda, Barai Pani, several waterfalls. The waterfalls is an indication of what is an upliftment, rejuvenation. समझ में आ चुका है? So, which are the examples you will give? Which are the examples for denudation chronology based picture? You will see that what is in a Southern Hill Complex. You will see what? Southern Hill Complex. And where you will be able to read? Yes? छोटा नागपुर प्लेटी. अंडरस्टूड? जो धीरे धीरे उठ रहा है उसको आप नहीं कर सकते हो. जो एक ऑलरेडी इट हैज गॉन डाउन लाइक दिस एंड इट हैज बीन अपलिफ्टेड, रेजुनेटेड. हिमालयस को नहीं बोलोगे, हिमालय तो इट इज गोइंग लाइक दिस. सो आई सेड दैट कैन वी से present topography in Chota Nagpur, present topography in the Southern Hill Complex is giving us an idea about that, this present feature giving us an idea about geological past. Can we say that present is the key to the past according to denudational chronology? If you are knowing the landscape very well, और डेविस महोदय ने तो इसे बहुत इजी बना दिया, he made it so easy. Therefore, it is in a kind of what? Deductive in approach, general to particular. So let us see. Simple है. It believes that there is a sequential change in landform through the time. है? ये believe करता है. Sequential change in the landform through time. Through time, through the space. और आपको ही पता है कि I have done the factors controlling the landform development. I have said that time is one of the factors, and it has been mentioned that any landform changing is not in a short interval; it is long interval of time. So that it is a denudation chronology also believes that the any change is happening, it is in a sequential पे हो रहा है. Sequential change in the landform through the time. Another, it based on which डेविस साइकिल ऑफ इरोजन, साइकिल ऑफ द लैंडस्केप इवोल्यूशन. उन्होंने बोला, डेविस ने क्या बोला? इन द यूथ स्टेज इट इज लाइक दिस, इन द मैच्योर स्टेज इट लाइक दिस. जो कल आपने पढ़ा वो किसको पढ़ा आपने? द लैंडफॉर्म स्ट्रक्चर लैंडस्केप यू हैव सीन, टू हुम यू हैव स्टडीड? डेविस. डेविस हैज अकॉर्डिंग टू देम दिस इज एन अ काइंड ऑफ इट. लेकिन इसकी कई ऐसी चीजें जो आप लोग अभी नहीं, जो आप लोग जानते होंगे, कुछ लोग पहले किए हुए, तो ये बोला गया है इट हैज बीन अपलिफ्टेड, उसके बाद इरोजन स्टार्ट्स. डेविस हैज सेड दैट. लेकिन हमें उतना नहीं जाना. यस्टरडे वी हैव सीन यूथ, मैच्योर एंड देन व्हाट? ओल्ड. एंड देन इट इज बेस्ड ऑन डेविस साइकिल ऑफ इवोल्यूशन. इट इज बेस्ड ऑन which assume the past character of the landscape are still apparent in the present form. Which example? Which example? Entrenched meander. Understood? You can be able to see the meandering is like this. If you'll go in the another example, like entrenched meander in the Chota Nagpur, and another example in the what I said that Grand Canyon in California, state of USA. In Grand Canyon, California, state of USA, over Colorado River. Which river? Colorado River. और वहाँ पे अपलिफ्टमेंट हुआ है, तो वहाँ पे you can see that the river is like this. और इसी में दिख रहा है that reason I said that we shall. So another example which when I said that for this, I said that past character of the landscape are still apparent. The past character, पहले का character क्या है? Meandering. And within the meandering V shape, the past character of landscape are still apparent in the present form of V shaped valley. Present form of past character of landscape are still apparent in present form of. तो कौन सा एग्जाम्पल देंगे? यस, ग्रैंड कैनियन. कैनियन बन गया है ना? यस और नॉट? कैनियन समझते हैं ना? गॉर्ज कैनियन. ग्रैंड कैनियन इन कैलिफोर्निया स्टेट ऑफ यूएसए. over which river? Colorado River. Understood it? Clear? Another example. कहाँ पे? Yes, deep valley in Chota Nagpur in meandering form. Deep valley in Chota Nagpur in meandering form. Understood? Now, along with waterfalls, along with several waterfalls, yes, इसका मतलब क्या है? छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू के लिए मैंने क्या बोला था? What I said that at the time of formation of Himalaya, it has been uplifted due to intrusive granitic magmatic eruption. So it has shown that rejuvenation. It has shown rejuvenation. To rejuvenation का मतलब होता है दोबारा यंग हो जाना, दोबारा कटिंग करने लगना. Next, in which region? Southern hill complex of Southern Sahyadri, showing series of waterfall in step form. Like in Karnataka, Shiv Samudram waterfall, yes, on Kaveri river. पता है ना किधर से मूव कर रहा है? That is moving from the west to east. लेकिन another, I said that another jog fall, that is जोगड़ा गुंडी भी कहा जाता है, and that is also known as Gersopka. Jog fall on Saravati river also consists of 4 series of waterfall. Four series of Raja Rani Rocket, Raja Rani Rocket and Roarer. Roar मतलब दहाड़ना. Roarer. This series of waterfalls shows Nick Point and rejuvenation. Nick Point, and I said that rejuvenation. Nick Point and rejuvenation with a small deep. अभी यहाँ पे वैली उतनी बनी है. With a small deep valley. With a small deep valley. इसका मतलब हमें क्या दिख रहा है? हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द डेफिनेशनल क्रोनोलॉजी हमें एक और चीज मिल रहा है कि व्हाट ओवर द पीरियड हाउ डू द डिफरेंट लैंडफॉर्म इज इवॉल्विंग. पहले यहाँ पे ऐसा लैंडफॉर्म नहीं था, अब देयर इज एन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वाटरफॉल. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ व्हाट आई सेड दैट आई बिलीव दैट देयर इज एन सीक्वेंशियल चेंज इन landforms through time, and it is based on Davis cycle of evolution, which assume that the past characters of landscape are still present in the present, and then thus following I can say that present is the key to the past. आज के फीचर की वजह से हम पास्ट को समझ रहे हैं. and then it is based on the concept of palimpsest topography. palimpsest का मतलब एक लिखा मिटाया, लिखा मिटाया. ये नोट्स कल मिल जाएगा आपको. palimpsest topography. It means such a surface which bears imprint of geomorphological processes during the geological period. In the means geological past के कुछ क्या है, geological process का कुछ impact है वहां पर, and the river erosion is a geological process. So which bears imprints of geomorphological processes during the geological past and after partially erasing prior imprints, पहले वाले imprint को थोड़ा सा हटाकर नया imprint कर रहा है. Palimpsest refers to the manuscript that has been written, erased, rewritten several times. Written, erased, and rewritten. Understood? Denudational chronology is a branch of landform studies that deals with the historical development of landscape by denudation. Landscape by, ये क्या बोल रहा है? किस चैप्टर को पढ़ाने के लिए बताता